Hey, Mary.
It's Marie.
Whatever. It's time for you to leave.
No.
Why does it be so difficult?
It's exhausting. Fucking hate it here. Assholes. Fucking hate it. Assholes.
I hate Cleo and Daisy. I'm gonna fucking kill them.
Trust me, I get
I
it.
hate Daisy. I'm gonna kill Cleo and Daisy. I hate Cleo and Daisy. I'm gonna fucking kill them.
Trust me, I get it.
I'm serious. I want revenge. I wanna kill them. Them.
Yeah. Okay, Sadie, let's kill him.
Really?
What? No! No! Look, Cleo and Daisy are assholes to me too, but I'm brooding silently about it like a normal
Are
person.
you furious? For the past 3 months, they have made our lives a living hell. I mean, they ruin everything. I fucking hate them! Hate them!
Calm down.
Can we kill them?
No!
Then fuck off! Then fuck off!
What's all this screaming about? You're interrupting our movie.
You wenches! Bitches! Assholes! How could you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, is little Mary crying over a stuffed animal? I told you, we're living with children. They're prepubescent, honestly.
Get out! Get the fuck out!
Whatever. I don't want to watch this shit show anyway. Just do us a favor and try to keep it down.
You've convinced me. Let's kill them.
What? You really mean it?
Let's start a fucking coup.
Okay.
I told her what accent and I got her down with it. Like I had a story. I played went to the clue show. Oh, really? And I that was one assignment was raining murder. It was like a little yeah. But how was your snap?
Attention! Where's Pearl?
Bitch didn't show up.
Whatever. We're here today to talk about ending a culture of struggle. A culture where we, the little guy, are walked all over. A culture where we let those two stupid cunts rule over all of us.
Those bitches deserve it.
We're here today to end the reign of Cleo and Daisy permanently.
Wait, we're gonna behead them?
Do we really have to kill them?
Do we really have to kill them? Yes!
Okay, maybe we don't have to behead them though. We could do something more humane, like shoot them.
Yeah, what if we just shoot them?
No! No!
No, we are beheading them and that's final. Look, who here has felt personally picked on, attacked, targeted? And who here is tired of letting Cleo and Daisy walk all over you like you're a peasant? Well, I'm done, and you should be too.
Well, ladies, who's with us?
Okay, I'm in.
Okay, sounds fun.
Well, okay.
Fuck the bourgeoisie!
Please don't do this!
Please, God! God can't help you bitches now.
Wait, now who's leader of the house?
Cleo, Daisy, Sadie, Drew, Pearl, Bambi. What are you doing? We're on the same side.
Don't fuck with me! Don't fuck with me!
Marie, scene 9.1, take 1.